Good day guys, Bing here. Today let's model this. Okay, so this is what we're going to get, and usually I will use pattern-based family for these, but today we will try something different. Okay, so this is what we will get, and I'm going to show you. So this is just a window. Okay, so a window. So very, very simple. Okay. Let me just. So this is it. So it's basically some extrusion and some solid and some void. Okay, and then create this. So of course it's a parametric window, so I didn't model in any frame or glass, but so this is the shape of that frame. Okay, so let me just I'll save these files in case I forgot, in case I couldn't model this again. So, okay, let's just save it and close, and let's start. Okay, so first we're going to create a generic model. Oh no, not generic model. Let's create a window. Okay, so it will be this one. Window. It's a wall based. And okay, so first, so let's go to exterior. So we are looking at this window. So just so we are looking at this window. So this will be it. So this. And I'll just do a screenshot of this and I'll just explain to you. Okay, so for this, so currently we have this reference plan, this reference plan, this reference plan, and this reference plan. Okay, so we're looking at this window, and what we need is one more reference plan here, one more reference plan here, and another reference plan on the top. Okay, so and also we need another one here. So now let's go back to Revit. So RP reference plan 1, 2, 3, and 4. And dimension DI, so 1, 2, and 3. So I think these 3 will be the same. So I'll just select all of them, 3 dimension, and create a create a parameter. Let's call it what do we call it? Frame thickness. So let's call it TH type, and OK. And then we need another reference plane will be the depth. So imagine if you look from the top, and so this is the depth. So from the wall, the face of this wall, so this wall to the edge of this. So I think it's roughly here. Okay, so this the depth. So we go to Revit, go to floor plan. So exterior, so RP here. And I'm going to do a dimension. So before I do a dimension, I'll just H this wall so I can dimension directly on this reference plane. So this will be the depth. So I'll call it the type, and OK. So now we have all these reference plans. So now we can go back to exterior. So exterior elevation. So now we're going to create. So it's a little bit hard to. Let me just remove everything here. It's a little bit hard to create these shape. So for example, this triangular shape. So it's Revit. You can't really do a shape like this in Revit directly. You need to do a solid and use void. So what I'm going to do is I'll just create a solid. Okay, so a solid extrusion, and then we're going to cut away part of, so see here, cut away this, cut away, and then cut. So use void to cut all the, all these edge, all the frames. So let's go to elevation. So first we need to create a solid first. So create extrusion. I'm going to use rectangle, start from this corner to this corner, okay, and then lock them, and go to floor plan, and finish this extrusion. So you will see it go this way. So we just need to drag this back to this reference plane and lock. So now if we go to 3D view, so now we have this, okay, so this is solid. And then we just first we want to cut a void. So this is the Windows opening. So we can just directly create a void extrusion rectangle from here to here. So lock and go to floor plan and finish this void. Just drag this back onto this reference plans, lock. Now if we go to 3D view, and this is, let me change it to shade, okay, and then okay, so now let's cut part of here. So for this part, we are going to create a blend. Let me just explain it to you. So this will be the blend. So first face will be on the wall, the face wall, it will be this profile, okay, and then another shape will be, so from the top here, so if I draw another one up here, it will be, so connect this point to this point, so it will be slightly, it's not a rectangular shape but more like this, okay, so it will be a shape like this. And yeah, so now let's do it. So go to Revit, go to exterior. So before we create that, I want to just HH all these solid, all these void, all these wall opening, and only have these reference planes. Okay, let's start this void blend. Okay, so void blend. So first we need to pick a reference plane. So this one, and then draw a line. Start from this here to here, and trim, trim. We don't need to lock this. We don't need to align this and lock onto a reference plane because this is quite simple family. I don't think it's necessary. Okay, so now click on this edit top. It means we can create another profile. So this time, so we're going to start with this pick line again. So pick this reference plane again, lock. You can also just check this one, so it will automatically lock onto the reference plane. So we have this one. We also need, hang on. Let me have a look. So I think, yeah, it looks like, sorry, this one's wrong. We need to pick this one instead of this one. So now let's go back. So I'll just delete this one, go back to edit base, and just continue on the edit base, quit. We need to start again. So void blend. So first pick this reference plane, lock on this, and we need to pick this one, okay? And then I think we need to, also here we need to use the intersection between this reference plane and this reference plane. So we draw a line, start from this point to this point. So now trim, and trim. So we finished this one, and the edit top, pick line. So once again, pick this reference plane, and this time we need to pick this reference plane and draw a line. Start from here, so here to here, and now trim, tr, trim and trim. So now finish. So now let's have a look in 3D view. So go to actually we still need to go to floor plan because we just created this void, so it will go this way. So we just need to drag this back to this reference plane. Okay, so lock. Now have a look in 3D view. Almost there, but you will notice from the shade. So from this shade, this means it's curved. It's not flat. So if you rotate it a little bit, so you can see that's a curve. So what we need to do is we need to select this void. So select this blend. Okay, so void blend. So edit top or base, doesn't matter. So click on edit top, and then so see this one. Edit. How do I pronounce this? Vertices. So click on this one anyway, and so you have some options to. So actually, I just I only noticed this one today. So I noticed that if you try to click this one, it will change the shape of this blend. So just click on this one, and let's have a look at what happens. Okay, so if I go back and finish, and that's it. So now, so you will see it's different to the previous one. Now this face is flat. Okay, so now this face is flat. And okay, so this is it. So this is one of the void we need, and the rest of the voids will be much easier. So we can just do extrusion. Okay, so let's do it. So now first we go to left. So if I turn this to to this direction, so you will see we just need to create a shape, a triangular shape, same as here. So yeah, I think we just need to create a triangular shape. So go to left. Okay, so now create void extrusion. Pick line, lock, and for this one, so it will be this shape. So this reference plane and this reference plane, and then just draw a line from this here to here, and trim tr, and that's it. Now go to exterior, finish this void. So you will see it will start from here to here. So what we need is we need to drag this to this reference plane, lock, drag this to here, this reference plane, and lock. So now let's have a look in 3D view. Okay, so this is the top. So once again, so we can go, you can do this, Control C, okay, and paste in same place, edit extrusion. So now we can go to left again. So we don't need this, I think. We need this one. So we don't need this. We don't need this. We have this one. So this one's the one parallel to this reference plane, and we also need another one here, and then we need to draw a line from here to here, and then trim and trim. So finish. So we still need to go to exterior. So although the size match the reference plane, but we still need to lock them. So just drag this shape handle. So lock, drag, and back to the reference plane and then lock. So now let's have a look in 3D view. Yep, close. So if you look at this, so let me just remove this part. So it's very close. We have this part, we have the top, we have this face, and we just need to cut this part. Okay, so go back. This time we'll go to floor plan. Okay, so now you can see the shape is not right. So you will see it's very thin. So this is because the view range of this view. So in family, so you won't be able to see here. So you can't see anything here. So you need to click on this view. So click on this floor plan view, and then you have all these settings. So go back here, so you can see this view range, edit. So we just need to just change this view, cut plan. So for a little bit higher, so we will see the whole thing. So now we can see all these, and then we just need to avoid this shape. Okay, so create void extrusion, pick line, pick this reference plane, create a line, start from here to here. GR trim, trim, and trim. And then go to exterior, finish this extrusion. So you will see it's here. So you just need to drag this up to this reference plane, lock, and this to this reference plane, lock. So now have a look in 3D view. Looks like it's not automatically cutting the solid, but that's fine. So click this cut, click on try tab, pick this solid and pick this void. So now this is it. So this is the window. And we can have a test of all the parameters. So for example, if I change the height, 2100, yeah, all good. 1800, and the width, so 900. Oh, hang on. See, this point, it's not changing. So let's just click OK and Control Z, go back. So I think we missed this parameter. So we don't have this dimension. So we just need to add a dimension from this. So this is the edge, the left side of this window, and this is the where. So this is a window, and then this is that reference plane. Okay, so we just need to select this dimension and link this to the width. So now let's have a look in 3D view. Go to 3D view, and let's try to change this width again. So 900, apply. Yep. So now you will see it follows the width of the window. Okay, so when the window's width reduce, this also reduce as well. So, and also thickness will be the width of that. So if I change this to 100, yeah, reduce the thickness. If I increase the depth of this, so you will see, yeah, it will create a more, eave or frame, become deeper. Okay, let me just change. Yeah, I think that's all good. And yeah, of course you can add a frame, add a window frame. Let me just have a look. See if there's a window. Looks like though it's the window frame is hidden there, so it's hidden in there. So maybe I'll just skip the window frame, so you can do a frame quite easily. I believe you can do a sweep, or yeah, I think the easiest way is to do a sweep. Okay, and then also maybe some glass panel, so you can do extrusion. So I'll just quickly do it. Okay, so extrusion. So create an extrusion, and then this rectangle. So start from here to here, lock. Okay, and then so you can just type in a thickness. I'm not sure how thick it needs to be, but you can just make it, if you don't want to add extra reference plans, so you can just use this and then just create a parameter here. So and also maybe glass, and also it's good to use the subcategory for certain items. For example, if that's a glass, I'll just use glass subcategory. Okay, So okay, so let's go to 3D view, and then that's it. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all good now. So yeah, of course you can add a parameter, add a material parameter for this as well, or subcategory. But I think that's all good. And now let's just create a project. Okay, so project, and I'll just create a WA, a wall. So this is a wall, and I'll just use the default setting, so 4 meter level height. So, and I know this is 8 meter wall, so I'll just go back and load this into this project, and I'm going to change the window height. So because it looks like floor to ceiling, so with the thickness of that frame, so what I'm going to do is I'll change the height to maybe 3 meter high by 1500, and also thickness will be, I'll just use 500. The depth will be maybe 750, and I think apply and okay, and then I'll just type in 500 seal height, so it will match that level, and then we can just I'll just move it to this end. Okay, so and array it. So I just use this point. Won't allow me to pick that point. That's fine. So I'll just go to front view. Okay, so and AR array. Yep. Now we can pick this point. Hell, it won't allow me to array this direction. I'm not sure why. Let's go to floor plan, see what happens here. So AR array, yep. Okay, so pick this point, and what's going on here? So this is, oh, hang on, looks like something's not right. Oh, yep. It's because the cut plan of this ground floor is 1.2, so it looks like it's not right because we can't see this point here. So if we go to side plan, so we will see the whole thing, so we can see this point. But in the floor plan, we see this point instead of this point. Okay, so let's use the side plan. So select this window AR array, so this point to this point. So you will see it's 3 meter. So that's 1.5 meter window width plus this frame width plus this side frame width. So it's 3.5. And I'll just type in maybe 6. Okay, so maybe 8. Now we can go to 3D view again. Front, select all, CC, copy up, and maybe move. I'll just move this window to the middle of this, so it will be something like this. Let's have a look of this image. Okay, so it looks like I need to align to that edge. So here to there. So okay, so let's go back here. I'll select all these windows, align this with this, so MV this to here. Yeah, that's better. So if I drag this one, so if I type in 12 meter high, so which we just need to, so let me just select all these windows, CC up there, and that's it. So now we have this facade, so SD, and that's it. Okay, so yeah, just give them the same materials, a little bit pattern, and I think that's it. So yeah, it's quite easy. It's the only difficult part is how to create. I think it's only this part, but yeah, other than the blend, the void blend, I'm not sure. This should be because it's a I'm not sure how to create a void. If you can find a way to create a extrusion instead of blend, please let me know. I found it a little bit hard to do it. And also, of course, there's other way to do it. So I think we can just somehow use pattern-based family to create one of this, and then we can just apply to a mass. I'll have a try, and if it's good, I'll share with you. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.